Welcome to the Tribute, where lakeside luxury and modern design come together. This single-story, 2,476 square foot home is a showstopper, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. With its high ceilings, bright open spaces, and designer touches throughout, you'll love how it feels the moment you walk in. But it's not just about the house. The Tribute community is packed with amenities. We're talking world-class golf, beautiful trails, resort-style pools, and tons of lake activities. Plus, you're close to everything that Frisco has to offer: shopping, dining, and top-rated schools. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, as we enter in here, look at this big, long hallway with these tall ceilings.
13 feet to be exact, Patrice Leanne.
Goodness.
What do you think of the lighting?
I don't love it, but...
Okay. Alrighty then.
I just don't.
Right from the get-go.
That's
All right,
okay.
goodbye, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in.
That's okay. We can get that changed real quick. Here's the first bedroom off to the left as you walk in.
It has its own bathroom.
It does. It's got those beautiful big windows. And if you notice, they've added window coverings to this house, which is awful nice. It's got this beautiful blackish, grayish tile. And then they have the tile that's really neat in that shower, but it doesn't go all the way up to the top.
Is there a closet
You know
in
I
this
don't love
mofo?
that.
Yeah, the closet is actually behind this door.
Behind the door. Is
Behind
it a
the
big
door.
closet?
It's a walk-in closet.
Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, it's good size.
Well, that's kind of hard to get to, really. You
Yeah.
have to close the bathroom door to get to.
Yeah,
Closet.
not loving that, but for 100,000 off, you know,
Yeah,
I can live with
right?
some. The guests can live with that.
All right, so let's move on down the hall here. All right, and to the left right here, you have the laundry room. It's got a nice,
Oh, it does have a sink.
yeah,
There. I
it's got
didn't see
a
that.
sink. It's got big tall cabinets, which
Yeah.
is really nice.
Everything
And
you need.
then everything you
Good
need.
size.
Cute little tile on the floor.
No space for a fridge.
No space for a fridge.
That's a shame.
All right, well,
All right, now you come on in and you've got this flex space, right? If you need it as an office, it's a really good size.
it is a good size office.
Does have a closet and it's just mainly like little shelves, nothing big deal. But yeah, really
You can
good
fit
size.
a
I
lot.
mean, this could be a game room. This could be a media room if you wanted with the blackout shades.
You could have a formal dining if you want.
I wish at this price point they would have put, I know it's a throw-in, but shutters on this house would be awesome.
Yeah, it can fit more than just one single table and 2 chairs, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, this is just,
I'm just teasing.
good job, babe.
Yes.
All right.
All right,
Now-
let's go.
Love the kitchen, love the waterfall edge.
Yes.
What are your
that's
thoughts?
beautiful. I love it. I do love the waterfall edge.
Yeah, love the waterfall edge, and you've got like a 3 to 4 butt island. Right?
Look at this.
You've got nice profile, GE profile appliances. I guess it comes with this fridge, huh?
Yes, that's a very nice fridge, actually.
I wish they would have put the glass inserts on the top. I think that would have,
They didn't do that in their main model either.
no. But they do have decent sized snack closet.
What I do like about Britain and Perry, they're the same people, but this one is a Britain. But I do like the way they do the edging on their shelves. It just kind of adds a little bit of finish to it, which
Exactly.
I think is nice.
The
And
other
then-
thing I like is you have the stacked dining area, but you've got this buffet area, this big giant buffet that you can really utilize for parties, for entertaining, Thanksgiving, that sort of thing. You can just do it all right. And then you've got obviously your dining area right here.
And I like the way they put the nice black granite on there. That's really a pretty touch.
Right here?
Yeah, and on here.
Oh, okay.
Because it's different than the
It's different than the island, but it matches the,
Yes, but see, then you've got the bottom part of the island here, which has quite a bit of storage, which is awful nice right there. And then you have the family area, which is a big family area.
really good size. You've got these nice sliders. Nice size patio. This kind of gives you an idea. This is a 50-foot lot, right? You could put maybe like a plunge pool or something of that nature if you wanted that. But like I said, with this community, you are a couple minutes from the lake. I mean, if you're just down the street, you get lake views.
Yes.
They're building a marina finally after 12 years.
Those doors right there open left to right, which is unusual.
Yeah.
So
where would you put the TV? You can either put the TV above the fireplace or put it right here.
yeah, that's a good question.
They don't have it, they don't have the,
Don't have it ready, do they?
no, for either way.
Well, then we're gonna have to talk to them about that.
All right, so let's come on in through the primary. We're trying to get this all in there. They have cleaning
They have
crew
cleaning
coming
crew
in.
coming.
So we're trying to hurry through this thing. These are 14-foot ceilings right here in the primary.
Pretty.
Really good size. 3 big windows overseeing that plunge pool that eventually you're gonna put in.
Now this flooring too is very pretty and it's very solid, which I love.
Yeah. Of course, what would you expect with Britain, right?
Yes.
So as you come through, you got split vanities. Plenty of counter space, babe, for you.
Let me turn this around real fast so I can show everybody. So it's got the pretty black countertops.
Plenty of cabinetry.
And then we've got this one over here. Sorry, I'm gonna turn around again. Well, I'm gonna show you the shower real fast and then I'm gonna turn around so you could really get a good idea of what this bathroom looks like.
Yeah, now this is a really good size. You've got 2 niches.
Well, let's show the niches. Let's climb on in here. Oh yeah. Those are tiny though. They're not very deep.
I mean,
You're not gonna
shampoo
have
and
big,
conditioner.
You're not gonna have the big bottles of shampoo.
Okay, well, whatever. But, I mean, it's plenty of size. Both of us are in here, no problem.
That's true. And
No
then,
excuses. All right, so you come on through. Now, we've seen this model in the fields.
Yes, we have.
Right? And it had big painting and it looks really nice. Right here, it kind of looks plain Jane, but you can spice this up by adding some color to the wall. You can really make it pop.
Yeah, they put 2 sconces on either side too, which looked really nice. But one thing that we need to point out is they did put a beam in this bathroom.
Oh yeah, I didn't
Which
even
is,
notice.
sorry, my sunglasses just fell off. And so there's that beam and it looks really nice actually. So.
Then you've got, for us, it'd be his and her closets. Which one would you pick? They're both pretty much the same size.
Yes. I like the tall hanging things because then you could put like your winter stuff and then summer stuff or whatever.
Alternate.
But I would definitely need, well, both of us, anybody most likely would need a ladder of some sort.
Well, I would think, unless Shaq, if you're watching, give us a call.
Or if you have go-go gadget arms.
Yeah. All right, let's go take a look at the 2 other secondary bedrooms and then we'll wrap this bad boy up and let them clean.
They are waiting.
Okay, so as you come on through, this right here is the 3-car garage. Right, so as you come on through, that gives you an idea.
Really nice garage.
Yeah, it is.
People want to see garages. So it's tandem, so you could put 2 cars here and then 1 there.
Yeah, epoxy this up,
Oh,
real
yeah.
nice.
Tankless water heater.
If you've got like a long boat, you can put it right here and then utilize your car.
Yeah, and then you have a nice little mud area right here with the hooks to hang things.
And then as you come in, you've got your full bath.
There's that part, and then over to this area, you've got the bathtub and the shower.
And then you've got your 2 other secondary bedrooms right here, right? And they're both about the same size. I'd say pretty typical, maybe 10 feet by 11 or 12.
Yeah, they're pretty small.
Yeah, they're not crazy big, but if you're downsizing, I don't know that you really want,
That's true.
people to be too comfortable.
And that one's just the same, correct?
Yeah, this is a 10 by 10 easy and little walk-in closet. So Anyway, if you are interested in this is a steal of a deal right now. They marked this thing down $100,000. It's gonna go quickly. We've been sitting here for a little while. We've already had several people come through. Cleaners are coming through. So if this is something you're interested in, give us a call. Hit that Dream Home form below or click on the link. And for all of your Dallas real estate needs or anywhere in Texas for downsizing 55 and over, you know who to call. Your team, Andy and Patrice, we've got your back when it comes to all things downsizing and 55 plus for our generation. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.